The United States Immigration and Customs deports a whole bunch of Jamaicans. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, so to hear of Deep Roots TV. Hey, no better take a one yafi warning. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel because the United States Immigration and Custom Enforcement says it is continuing to facilitate the removal of these single adult family units to countries including Jamaica. ICE conducted some of its removal flight last week to Jamaica, Cuba, Brazil, Central America, Colombia, Ecuador, and Mexico. If uno not take this as a warning, say uno fi build up uno country, uno and one like the people don't understand. Listen to the people. They are not going to keep you. Them are going to let in a whole bunch of people upon you. Listen, the ICE conduct all of these removal is sending you a signal, say them not need you. Them just replace you with 10 million foreigners. In a release, the agent said that the non-citizen arrival has no legal base to remain in the United States. They will be processed and removed quickly, consistent with the United States law. From May 12, 2023, April 17, 2024, DHS has returned more than 690,000 individuals. The vast majority of who crossed the southwestern border, including more than 105,000 individual family members. It is said that majority of all individuals encountered at the south border over the past 3 years have been removed, returned, or expelled. Total removal and return since mid-May exceed removal and return in every full fiscal year since 2011, says I. Pointing to the standard practice, I said that the U.S. ensure that all non-citizens without legal base to remain in the U.S. are properly screened for valid protection claim and withheld for removal in accordance with the law of the United States international obligation. This applies to all non-citizens regardless of nationality to ensure the order and the humane process transfer and removal of single adults and family units. The release said non-citizens placed into removal procedures present their claim and relief or protection from removal before immigration judge in the immigration court, which are administered by the Justice Department Executive Office of Immigration Review. Due to the operational security reason, I said it does not confirm or discuss future or pending transportation operation. ICE air operation facilitate the transfer and removal of individual including family units, visa, commercial, airline, and charter flights in support of ICE field office and other DHS initiatives. In fiscal year 2023, ICE conducted 142,580 removals and 62,565 Title 42 expulsion, or more than 170 countries worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, if you come from Jamaica and you are run go America, something is up with Jamaica. It's not America is better. Maybe it's the people now live together. We have cast out our best by using violence. I know everybody have bulletproof vests, causing people have to leave their country, their beautiful, beautiful island. Like me, we live in a St. Bess, love West, love girl to go beer, love them place the alligator punching or treasure beach, Holland bamboo. But guess what? Sometime you have to stay inside. or get on the plane and get a different ride. Cause Jamaica hot most of the time, and the beautiful island have to force the population, the best, sometimes the cream of the crop, to subject themselves to some illegal living because the crime and violence no pretty. You organ tea. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States, the ICE, the Immigration and Customs Department of the Homeland Security has conducted a removal flight, many back to Jamaica. Me hope uno did invest in a yard and no run me go abroad like a fraud. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if I'm right. If I'm right, say nowhere in the world no better than yard. Tell every little boys and girls. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment if you have not subscribed as yet. Do that for me right now. Comment pan a one ya foreigner kick them out.
Man a deep roads, man.
What you about?
Junker there. Fly them sitting here fly. Yeah. Deep roads. Fire,